I'm Kimber Olay. I am the Director of Global E-commerce at Dwyer Omega. We manufacture and resell process measurement and control products, everything you need to make other things.
Cyrus Grimes. I'm the Director of Product Content Management. My job is to make sure that our customers have the information they need to choose the right products.
Morning, my name is Hamal Mehta. I'm a Senior Director of Commercial Technology. In that role, I manage our e-commerce group as well as a PIM, Product Information Management System.
So we have the product managers, we have the sales team, marketing is in the PIM a little bit too. Our channels is mostly e-commerce, but we also work through distributors and broadline customers. So we do work through roughly, I think we have 3 major marketplaces that we're on. We sell in almost every country we're allowed to.
For me, it's the interface is really what set it apart. Navigating to where you need to find the information you need to change or update, being able to edit things in bulk or find the problems is just much faster than we had before. So it's really made our processes more efficient.
Well, when we started the journey, we were doing a lot of manual processes. So time to market was a big deal for us. So having integration which automates the whole flow of product creation and product enrichment is a key attributes. And the inefficiency we had was time to get the product introduction to the market. It was very high. So that's the problem we were trying to solve. That's a great question. So this is a good old age question where do you build or do you buy? And when we evaluated that, we felt like having out-of-box package solution by Akeneo makes more sense, and instead of us building it, so we can really focus our resources more on advancements happening in Akeneo, advancement happening in SAP Cloud Commerce, and let the integration be that something both of these platforms work together and create for us. So I think that was really the key decision for us when we evaluated build versus buy. Well, time to market. Our business users, their ability to see product and from introduction to commercially in a quickly and fastest fashion is really the key for us. So having this integration allow us to get out of supporting it and doing a lot more technical focus instead of business focus is really the key for us. So so this integration is going to take us out of just being a technology focus, more of a business focus and an ability for us to provide information to our end users who are using this product.
So we started our onboarding with mostly the product management team, the people who bring on the products. They were very excited about it, when I told them they didn't have to work in those spreadsheets as much anymore. And so they've been very open, very, very receptive to joining Akeneo. We started with some quick looks, so they got a feel for it and didn't feel like we were throwing them into the fire. So we gave them some sneak peeks, and then we started full training. And now we're kind of holding their hands at the moment, but yeah, they're really jumping into it pretty easily. So we were just talking about using DeepL this morning, something for translations. So I think that's going to be being able to translate right in the system is going to be huge for us. And if we can start applying AI to other things like creating our descriptions, I think that's going to be huge too.
Yeah, it was pretty painful. In terms of the timeline, it would add months to the whole process. And so our hope as we implement this that it's the same as launching in our company. Once it's in our system, it's in everybody's system. And so that additional time, that additional loading into our partners, it's just integrations will be seamless.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very critical part of a juncture and critical part of the technology we have, because Akeneo and SAP innovating themselves in their own ecosystem and having this integration where automatically our product flows from PIM system to commercial storefront. It's a very key aspect to it. So having these two organizations strategically creating this integration and keeping up with all the changes occurring within each of those platforms is really the key. And so advancement happening in SAP Cloud Commerce as well as advancement happening in Akeneo, those advancements has to be connected together. So it is absolutely a critical portion of our whole go-to-market strategy, and also having those products available in the marketplace to sell.